Abigail M. Agustin of B3C. I am here to discuss and answer our Activity 2 in ED 14. For our direction, describe the music from each period by filling the boxes with terms, words, and some names of composers in music history. We will start in the medieval era, which spans from 500 AD to mid-15th century. In this era, songs are sacred and performed in Catholic churches. Homophones are sung with no official rhythm. Cantus firmus is called for lower voice singing. In late medieval era, polyphony has more progression with several instruments playing. Guillaume de Machaut is considered to be the inventor of isorhythmic motets. He is one of the notable composers in medieval era. Next, we have the Renaissance era, 1450 to 1600. In this era, composers expressed their thoughts and feelings through music. Famous musicians were Orlando de Lassus and Giovanni Perlugi de Palestina. Piano and guitar were starting to develop. It also became the ancestors of instruments. Renaissance era was also the golden period in music history. Joaquin Desprez is considered as great master of polyphonic style. We also have Baroque era, 1600 to 1750. Violin, viola, double bass harp, and oboe were present in this period as prominent instruments. Monteverdi was the famous composer in this era. He introduced the new way of making polyphone music called basso continuo. He also helped to popularize new genres like the opera with his work El Orfeo. While classical era, which spans from 1750 to 1820, added an influential song called sonata. The development of concerto, symphony, sonata, trio, and quartet were seen in this era. Classicist music tends to dynamically change more, as it does change in tempo quite often. They have some renowned composers who really contributed in the line of music. We have Mozart, who composed more than 600 works, many acknowledged as pinnacles of symphony, concertante, chamber, operatic, and choral music. He is the most enduringly popular of classical composer. While J. Haydn's music is a great example of the changing orchestra size and the lighter approach of music. Now, let us move on in Romantic era of music that spanned from 1820 to 1900. It was the golden age of virtuoso. This era was known for using diatonic notes, giving their music a suspended feeling. Advanced chord progression was explored by Romantic musicians in this period. Ludwig van Beethoven was a German pianist and composer widely considered to be one of the greatest musical geniuses of all time. His innovative compositions combined vocals and instruments, widening the scope of sonata, symphony, concerto, quartet. He is the crucial transitional figure connecting the classical and romantic ages of Western music. Lastly, the 20th century, which spans from 1900 up to present. This period can be described as a free rein for composers. Most of the composers are willing to experiment with new music forms using their instruments. Impressionistic, 12-tone system, neoclassical, jazz, concert music, serialism, chant music, new romanticism, and minimalism are the 20th century style of music. Until now, music is part of our lives. We thank our ancient period to inherit music which we enjoy in our every occasion. Now let us recall the eras that we have in history of music. We have the medieval era, Renaissance era, Baroque era, Classical era, Romantic era, and the 20th century period. Thank you for listening. Again, I am Abigail M. Agustin of BID 3C. Keep safe everyone and have a great day.